Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my whole wheat chin chin. I'll be using a mixer to do this. I'll start with adding 3 cups of whole wheat flour, ginger powder, half a teaspoon, I add half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, I add quarter teaspoon of salt, I add half a teaspoon of baking powder, I add a tablespoon of lemon zest, 5 tablespoons of butter, three-quarter cup of sugar. I use granulated sugar. I'm gonna mix for 5 seconds to incorporate all the ingredients. So I add 3/4 cup of milk. I use 1 egg. If you're still watching, please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel. So at this point, I'm going to mix until I get a firm dough. I'll let the mixer do its job until I get that firm dough that I'm looking for. Now that I have the firm dough, I'm going to remove it from the mixer, trying to get all the dough off the blade. So once that is done, I make a dough ball, and then I'm going to wrap it up in a plastic wrap and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, on a clean flat surface, sprinkle some flour, dump the dough on the floured surface, and using a rolling pin, start making it flat as much as you can. Flatten it to about a 1/7 inch. Then when that is done, we start to cut it into little pieces. I did use a pizza cutter because it makes my life much easier when I'm doing this. You can use any other cutting kitchen tool of your preference. And you can also make shapes as you would like. I'm done with cutting the squares, and I'm gonna scoop everything together. I sprinkle some flour on top of the dough so it doesn't stick together. So now I add some cooking oil to my pot. I'm going to let this warm up to about 370 degrees. And once it's warm enough, I start adding my chin chin to the oil and I fry it. Fry your chin chin until it's golden brown. Then remove it from the oil and place it on a paper towel for it to drain the excess oil. Try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.